I am going to be doing an unboxing video today for the bicycle phone mount. I will not be able to do it in the video, obviously, because I am taking it with said phone. But this is just so that when I am riding my bike, I don't have to worry about navigation as much. So we're going to just open this right up. It's a little difficult to do one-handed. Thanks, you're gonna be in the picture for a minute. Our video features the amazing Jinx because this is the one spot I can set my phone up over here. I'm glad you're feeling better. You want to sniff it? You do not get to eat the plastic, but you can sniff. Whoa, what is that? Alright, so basically this part will connect right here after being loosened, if I am doing this correctly. Yes, I am. Okay, that pops in. Here, I'll show you. Just like that, little ball pops in after you unscrew the clamp, and then tighten it back around. And this part would connect to your bike. And then, yeah, navigation right there. So if you are trying to travel by bike and need directions, there you go. Anyway, there will be a link to the item in the description of the video. And I hope you guys enjoy it. And I will give an update in about a week or so, as long as we don't get flooded with rain every day, which it looks like we might for at least 1 or 2 days. And yeah, that's it.